Welcome back to the Travelin Cruise. We're actually here at the Dockside, Ladys Island Dockside. The view is amazing, as you just saw. I'm having a amber ale, palmetto brewing. I always like to try something new when I'm in the area, try something local. Once our food gets out here, we'll be able to let you know what we think. They look super delicious. We got the half shell desert staple and the shrimp cocktail. Very gluttonous, but we've been riding bikes and burning calories, and now it's time to see what we're working with here. It's the hash brown. There's butter, cinnamon butter. Here. See what you think. Alright, now the shrimp. Cheers. Cheers. Alright, get these oysters dressed and ready to impress. Shell oysters. I love oysters. A lot of people don't like raw oysters, but they're called weirdos. Wait for the main course and we'll be back. To get up in one of these oysters, or these fried oysters. Now that is a tasty fried oyster. It's the Captain's Platter, Lady Island Dockside. Recommend. So far, it's delicious. This is a flounder. They got me making faces out here in public. Put a ton of sauce on there. Can't even deal with y'all right now.
I asked for the inside
Muggler. Alright, Travelin Fools. That was the most delicious meal I've had so far in St. Helenas Island. Actually, what's this? Ladies Island. The flounder was fantastic. The oysters, fried oysters were fantastic. Fried flounder, fantastic. The half shell oysters were well priced and delicious. The shrimp cocktail was so-so. The cornbread and the hush puppies, fantastic. So I definitely recommend making a stop over here at Dockside if you're in Ladies Island for a good splittable platter of seafood.